Curiosity Kid back. And today I'm down here because the table that I usually do things on is being used. So I moved down here. So what we're doing is we're seeing what's inside this little thing. So, and how it works. I found this at like a mall on the ground, and it had been cut. So how it like when you touch both wires together, it like starts the alarm, and yeah, and I'm not gonna do it because it's very annoying. So let's take it apart. So whoa. Okay. Where'd all those parts go? Okay. So this is what is inside. So you've got your little, you got your lithium battery here, and you've got a whole bunch of little resistors and stuff here, and then you've got your lead here now, and then this, where is that, where's the hooky piece? The part that I wanted to look at. Well, I'll find that later. But for the meantime, and then you've got your little LED here, red, and then your lithium battery that's spot welded into place. So that's, once these things are done, they must be just done. So they get thrown out. And Alpha High Thief Solutions. And yeah, so this has been interesting. But I wanted to see how it like disconnected this. What is this? This must sit right here or something. So like if this is sitting here, this is sitting in here like that. Now where is that other wire? Well, yeah. So, and then you got your, this is probably a little piezo in here. Yeah, piezo. Now, I think, so these two connect. I'm correct, I think. No. Well, anyway, I don't know how this thing works. But it would help if I could find that other piece. So, update. I found the little piece that we were looking for. It's this little guy. So, I think everything sets in like this, and then like this, and this goes probably like that, No. Have to go like that. We'll go like this. I don't know. This must go here. Maybe? Maybe? No. I don't know. We're gonna put this here, which must be the coil. So when you leave this, if you're stealing, which you should never do, the things on the door must sense this, or this senses those, and this goes off. But I'm trying to figure out how this is supposed to go in. Because this, like that, must be. Yeah, that's how it goes. And then this goes like this. And when it's together, it's fine. But then when you pull it apart, that's when it goes. Like when you cut it. So I don't know how that guy got out, but anyway. And if you put it back together, no, it doesn't. And only when you release this will it stop. Which is very interesting. Just like that. And then right in here, right down there, there's like this metal tab. So it can only be like, when I was trying to touch it before like this, and it wasn't working without this piece, because this, when it's in here, it goes and it pushes this onto that metal tab, so it arms it like that. So yeah, but I don't know how they get it apart. Because, like, how do you get that? Like, how do you unattach it? That is my question. How do you unattach it? Because this goes here. We'll put that back. Like that. And then this goes like this. And that. And this is in there, like a nice tall guy. And then this goes in here. Like that. That. So let's see if we can put it together and look at it. Let's see if we can put this like that, and then like that. There. Now, let's see if I was to. Must have damaged it. No. So, yeah. So that's it. Hope you liked watching this video. Subscribe. Give comments in the bottom. in the comment thing. And like it if you liked it. And give any comments to any other videos you'd like me to do.